In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. First, open your preferred browser on desktop or your mobile app and head straight to chatgpt.com by typing it directly into the address bar. When the site loads, look for the Sign Up or Sign Up for Free button on the main screen or in the left sidebar. Click it to begin creating your account. You'll see two ways to register. The fastest is single sign-on. Choose Continue with Google, Continue with Microsoft, or Continue with Apple to securely link an existing account and skip manual entry. If you prefer the traditional route, select the email option. Enter your active email address, click Continue, and set a strong password with at least 12 characters to meet security standards. Longer, unique passwords help keep your account safe, so choose something you won't reuse elsewhere, then click Continue. Next comes verification. Open your email inbox and find the message sent by OpenAI. Click Verify email address in that message. If your browser asks for a code, copy the digits from the email and paste them into the sign-up field. After verification, you'll see a welcome screen that asks for your first name, last name, and your date of birth. Enter accurate information and click Agree. This step confirms you meet age requirements and aligns your account with safety policies. Once you've clicked through the brief intro screens, you'll land in the main ChatGPT workspace. The message box sits along the bottom of the window. Click into it and type, "Explain the basic economic principles of supply and demand." Press Enter on your keyboard or tap the send arrow to the right of the box. ChatGPT will process your request in real time and present a structured explanation with clear sections and definitions. Give it a moment to finish, then review the answer at your own pace. A couple of quick navigation tips will help you stay organized. If you want to start a completely different topic later and keep it separate from your supply and demand conversation, click the new chat or edit icon at the top left of the sidebar to open a fresh thread. And if you created your account with the email and password method, store your unique 12-character password in a trusted password manager. That simple habit makes sign-ins and account recovery smoother across all your devices. That's it. You've set up a secure account and sent your first prompt. With these basics covered, you're ready to explore and get more done with a powerful, reliable AI assistant.